going to show you a business idea you can start today with little to zero capital that can make you a lot of money in few months. I shared this business idea with a friend of mine in December. Today she sent me a message saying she's earned up to 700,000 naira from this same business idea. And in this video, I want to share it with you. This is something anyone can do. It doesn't require a lot of money. You just need to learn to do it and get to work. With consistency, you'll start earning in six figures in just few months. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. In today's video, I got something amazing for you. This is a simple business idea you can do today that can earn you hundreds of thousands of naira. It doesn't require a lot of capital to start. All you need to know is the steps it takes to get it done, and then with consistency you start earning in six figures. There are just simple steps to doing this, and I'm going to share all of it with you in this video. Are you ready? Let's dive in. So in December, this friend of mine was looking for a business he can start from home that will earn consistent income without a lot of stress. So after looking at her skills and all the things she mentioned she wants and doesn't want, she doesn't want a business that requires a lot of capital. She doesn't want a business that will lead her to running up and down. And she wants something that will generate her a reasonable income at the end of the month. I come up with this idea to start a simple online business selling hot in-demand product, ready-to-wear female dresses. This is a profitable business, and I will tell you why. First is that it's easy to start because you don't need to be a tailor to do this business. I will explain that for you in a moment. Another reason is that it's not expensive to start. I'm not sure she spent up to 20,000 naira when she started, and finally it is stress-free. Yes, you don't have to run around. All you need is get order, process it, and you deliver that and go home. So she makes a profit of 4,000 to 5,000 naira per sale, and she does up to 5 to 10 deliveries every single day. So here are the steps it takes to start a profitable, ready-to-wear female dress business. Step 1 is to find a tailor who is good at what he or she does, that is also reliable. So if you're not a tailor, it's not an excuse, because if you can find a good tailor in your area, then this business will work just fine. So once you find a tailor to partner with, the next will be to pick dresses that you are going to sell. You need to go for the best designs that look so beautiful and is also easy to make, so you'll be able to produce it in large quantity. So once you pick a very hot design, go on and make 5 to 10 patterns of that same design. My friend makes this kind of boo-boo gown, and it's so lovely and it sells very well. She gets a lot of orders of this same design on a daily basis. Step 2 is to get beautiful ladies with different body shapes, sizes, and even colors that will model this dress for you. Now, your job is to make sure that they look pink in these dresses, because how beautiful they look will determine how fast the design will sell. With these 5 models, you'll be able to make up to 30 to 40 beautiful images of them modeling this outfit. You also need to create short videos of them, because videos sell more. Think of anything you can add to this outfit to make it irresistible to your target audience. For example, this bobo gown goes perfectly well with sneakers, especially white sneakers. You can see this. So once you get these pictures and videos, business has started. Go on and edit the video, make it very appealing. Think of anything you can add in the video that will make it very appealing to your audience. You can add names of the design as well as the prices, and also do not forget to include that you do free delivery. Everyone loves free delivery, and this is actually one of the secrets you are going to use to get a lot of orders on a daily basis. Step 3 is to create educating and marketing content you are going to use to sell this. For example, you're going to talk about benefits of ready-to-wear gowns. You talk about how to maintain it. You talk about different occasions you can wear it to. Talk about different ways to rock the outfit. In your marketing videos, you need to mention that it's a fit for all dress, irrespective of your body shape and size. It's one for different occasions and events. Tell them that it's trendy and easy to wear and maintain. Just go on and show them different ways to rock this design. Step 4 is to price your dress. Now you need to price it appropriately. Don't price it too low or too high. My friend sells her own between 10 to 12,000 naira and she offers free delivery. Here's the catch: free delivery. This is actually one thing she uses to close a lot of deals. Everybody loves free delivery. So when you tell someone, once you order this and this, I'm going to deliver it to your doorstep absolutely free, they are tempted to order not just one, two, but as many as possible. Remember, the delivery fee is already included in the price of the product. Now, normally the price of this kind of gown goes for 4 to 6,000 naira. So even with the free delivery, she's making a lot of profit. Remember, the free delivery is if someone orders a certain number of dress per time. And the final step is to start selling. How do you sell it? You need to create a well-optimized account on TikTok as well as Instagram. So these are two platforms where you have a lot of buyers looking for product and services to buy. Once your account is optimized, you start publishing content consistently. Then you pick one of the videos and run adverts. This is actually the only expenses you have to incur. You run targeted ads where you target people that have the purchasing power. So with your advert, your dresses will be shown to women who have money to buy clothes and they are consistently looking for beautiful designs to buy. This is actually how my friend packs orders on a daily basis, and she's been able to make consistent profit from this business. Remember, she's not a tailor. She does not know how to make dresses, but she's making at least 300,000 naira from this business every single month. So as a bonus, let me share with you ideas of posts you can make on your page. Here are content ideas you can use to sell your business. First is a video of you making the dress. The second is a video of a customer testing the dress in the shop. Next is a video of you packaging orders for your customers. Fourth one is a video of you or your customer rocking the dress to different occasions. Fifth is customer reviews and a whole lot of others. Now, this business model is going to work best and bring you loads of sales if you know how to dance. You probably have to rock the dress and dance to any trendy music, and you see a lot of people loving it and ordering this design. This idea and the steps I shared can be applied to other kinds of business, whether it's shoe or handbags or anything. You just need to learn how to sell online. Let me know in the comment box if you like this idea and you're going to try it. And if you're going to do, I pray that it's going to work best for you and also generate lots of profit for you. If you got value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you've not. See you in my next video. Bye.